Hello, Nomad Sculpt, let's doodle. Okay, I open the Nomad Sculpt app. Oh, I delete this, I clear the scene. Um, Settings, okay. Let's add a sphere. Reset the view. And I validate this object. It's okay for the test. Now we need a brush to doodle. And for this, we use the drag brush. And you can clone the drag brush and you can name it Doodle. Then it appears at the bottom of your brush library. And then you can adjust the brush settings. First, the stroke. The stroke you can use a square or a circle. It's up to you. I'm using a square. You can use the flat fall off. You can test with the fall offs. The drag function is okay. And I think the settings here are okay. Paint, you can set stroke painting on or off. And the pressure set to active, preset, and use also the flat preset. Okay. The next step is open the topology settings, and there's dynamic topology. Turn it on, and the detail you can decrease it. I think decrease it. Make it real. Make it for the test low. You can here set the quality, speed. I let it to speed and constant. Okay, this is okay. And you can adjust your brush size like this. And now the important step is bring your intensity in a high level. And now you can start doodling. This is the front view, and you can now doodle with your pencil and create crazy shapes. And you see the intensity or that the mesh is, yes, you can go back and see what the dynamic topology does. Go a little bit and test it. I think this is okay, and that's not too high, but you get a lot of pixels. And important to know is when you use the views perpendicular to the object, it works fine. And you can use more symmetry. You can do crazy things with it. And when you bring it in an angel from the view, it's not perpendicular to the stroke you do. I show you here in this direction. You can do such things. And yes, you can create here, and the radius, world space radius, you can turn it on and use the world space radius and create funny things. And you you can use also sometimes the remesh function, and look what happens. Dynamic topology is always on, and now you can sculpt. Yes, I hope you understand what I mean. And with the symmetry, I go back to this, and in the symmetry you can turn on the radial symmetry, and now you can sculpt things like this, and do very crazy stuff. In a few seconds, and then you can remesh it again and subdivide it and have fun. Okay, that's doodling. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.